Hello fellows. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review of the Forest River RiverStone 425FO fifth wheel, a brand new floor plan for 2024 that's tailor-made for couples working remotely. Why? Because this RV has a front office. What? Yeah. So let's dive into the advantages and disadvantages of this RV, especially focusing on its unique office space. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest RV trends and reviews. Now, let's get started. All right, let's start our journey by exploring the features and specifications of the Forest River RiverStone 425FO. With a dry weight of 19,157 pounds and a length of 45 feet 2 inches, the 425FO boasts a luxurious design with 6 slides, providing ample living space. Priced at $210,030 MSRP, you can often find it at a discounted rate of $159,999. And now let's talk about the star of the show, a dedicated office space. The most exciting feature of this RV is undoubtedly its dedicated office for 2. Private, enclosed space with 3 desks. It caters to the growing trend of remote work among RVers. It offers privacy, allowing you to hide away from the rest of the living space. However, as we explore, we'll discuss both the pros and cons of this unique office setup. First, let's focus on the pros. It's refreshing to see RV manufacturers adapting to the remote work lifestyle. The hidden office is perfect for a couple working on the road, providing a dedicated and private workspace. The idea of concealing the office behind furniture adds an element of organization, allowing you to close the door and keep the workspace neat and private. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The desks, while initially impressive, have some drawbacks. The rudimentary design is not suitable for desktop computers or peripherals like printers. The uneven heights of the U-shaped desks limit the space for dual monitors or larger setups. The lack of cable pass-through holes, limited outlets, and impractical shelf configurations raise concerns about functionality. Additionally, the potential noise interference from the living room TV might be a drawback for those needing a quiet workspace. Moving on from the office, let's explore the interior of this new 2024 floor plan of Forest River, the RiverStone 425FO fifth wheel. The kitchen, featuring high-quality appliances and ample storage, is a standout. However, the lack of counter space for meal preparation might be a concern for those who spend a significant amount of time in the kitchen. The absence of a central island adds to this limitation. The front living room offers a cozy space with entertainment amenities, and the bedroom and bathroom maintain a luxurious feel. The spacious bathroom is a highlight, but the lack of an ensuite and only one bathroom might be a drawback for larger families or full-time RV living. Stepping outside, the exterior continues to impress with its full-body paint, insulation, and ample storage. However, the absence of a luxury outdoor kitchen might disappoint those expecting more in this price range. In conclusion, the 2024 RiverStone 425FO is a remarkable RV, especially for couples seeking a dedicated workspace. While the office has its drawbacks, the overall design, luxurious features, and acknowledgement of the remote work trend make it a noteworthy option. It's always a pleasure to see RV manufacturers embracing new designs to cater to changing lifestyles. If you value a dedicated office space and can overlook some limitations, this RV might be the perfect fit for you. As always, weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more RV adventures and reviews. Until next time, safe travels.